that?
Detective Raven. I'm Judge Maddox, and this is the Mercy Capital Court, a judicial system powered by artificial intelligence.
I shouldn't be here. I helped create the Mercy program.
You're before this court today charged with the murder of your wife.
Oh my God.
Your guilt must fall below the 92% threshold, or you will be executed in precisely 90 minutes.
I loved my wife. I didn't hurt her.
The city's municipal cloud is at your disposal. You must gather evidence to exonerate yourself.
I need to find out who killed my wife.
It's a classic crime of passion, Chris, and it all points right at you.
Mr. Raven, the clock is ticking.
Good. Wow. Thank you for that. Do you honestly think that I killed my wife? Or were you just programmed wrong? I need to walk the scene.
This is a terrorist's handbook.
Get out of there.
Mr. Raven, you're running out of time.
Chris, what do you got it into?
This was never about my wife. This was about me and you.
Get me out of here!